All right. So this is my circuit I got from homemadecircuits.com for solar charging. And I'm going to go through this and see if I can kind of mess around with this basic circuit to show you how it works. So we got the solar panel here, and then we got the battery here. I didn't label it. And if we look here, we got 3 LEDs, and I have my switching circuit. Okay. Then we're going to press play. Oops. We're going to press play, and we're going to see the solar panels on. So right now, I'll show you how you can actually just see how it flows, but it flows from here, and it goes here. A little bit goes there, a little bit goes there, 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 and then a little bit goes here as well. But eventually it stops once that's fully charged. Now I'm going to switch this thing off, and we're going to see that the battery now goes in this direction and powers this on, this on, this on, up to a certain point while this is off. Now, of course, at this point, I was thinking of putting a blocking diode, as this is a simulation to stop the energy from going back into my solar panel. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. If you need more solar charging circuit tutorials, let me know, as I have been doing a lot of work with this stuff lately.